Kung ayaw mo ng stress sa buhay at gusto mo ng peace and productivity, pakinggan mo to. Guys, finally, today is the last and final 10th day of my 10 days water fast only. And by 9 p.m., I'm gonna take my first meal. But here's the thing, I don't even want this to finish. I still want to continue. I think I can go on and on and on in the next 30 days or 40 days. Why? I learned so much about myself. At the end of the day, the greatest benefit para sa akin is that I know for a fact that maybe you and I, we know what to do with our life. We know what we want, except we're not getting it because we are not disciplined. Therefore, we need to start with making sure that our ultimate priority when we want to go for something, especially in changing our habits, is our mental discipline. Now you finally know that your life is being run by cravings. Your life is being run by habits that no longer serves you. An autopilot that's shifting you to the life that you don't want. And if you continue that, it's not gonna happen for you. And therefore, fasting breaks that. Number 2, your energy becomes clean. Now you understand, you have a different clarity. Grabe, sobrang clear lang yung mind ko. Hindi ko ma-imagine gaano kaganda nang walang distraction because clear na yung mind ko. When your system is now being reset, your thoughts are sharper, you're more creative, and most of the time, your emotions get calmer. Number 3, really important, you start having new relationship with food. Sa totoo lang, okay? For the past 10 days, grabe, breakfast, lunch, dinner, I'm with my colleagues, I'm with my friends, I'm with office and work, and there's celebration left and right, and food is something that we all enjoy together, and not even an inch of, kawawa naman ako, hindi makakain. Not even that craving, simply because now, I understand the benefit is better and way sharper. Now you understand that you stop eating because you are bored, but because you choose food because it respects your body. If this is something you want to try, don't take my word for it. Go do your research. Okay? Talk to ChatGPT. And I do this because I want you to meet the strongest version of yourself. Go try it.